Hi and hello, welcome to a brand new episode of Shubham Speaks. Those who haven't yet subscribed the channel, please do subscribe to get all notifications related to education and examination at the latest. One more request, please like my Facebook page Shubham Sir to stay connected. Link given in the description box. Without any delay, let's get started. Dear viewers, in this video I will discuss the complete registration process of WBJEE. I'll tell you how to do the choice filling so that you get the best college within your WBJEE rank. In the previous video I have already showed you how to do the basic registration and to create a password, so we are done with that part. Today I will start from the document upload section. So before I start the document upload section, I have to log into that profile and then start the remaining process. So what to do here? First we'll type WBJEE in the Google search bar. So WBJEE, as I put WBJEE, I get the first link. The website is wbjeeb.nic.in. So we click here, and as soon as we click this, we come up with this interface. We have to scroll down, and as we scroll down we get this pink colored bar. Go to WBJEE 2020 counseling. So as soon as we hit this, we come up with this page. Again we have to scroll down and click this one, the blue colored bar. Click for online registration and choice filling. Today I will tell you the entire process of choice filling and everything. So first we have to log in. So here as you can see, two sections. One is registered candidate sign in and the other one is new candidate registration. If you are a new candidate, if you haven't yet registered, then you have to click this orange bar and get the basic registration done. Since we are done with the basic registration, we will select this part. Here you have only one option, WBJEE counseling 2020. Then we'll put the roll number. So as soon as we put the roll number, we will get another option, that is password. So we'll have to fill the password, the same password which was created during the basic registration part. So that password has to be filled in. Then we'll go to the security pin section. So do it carefully so that you don't need to do again. So here I put the security pin and then sign in, and we land up with this page. Okay, as you can see here, the registration form we have completed. The application form, this is also completed. The third step, qualification details, as you can see, it is also completed. Contact details, we are also done with this part. But the upload document section, we are not yet done with this part. So now we will upload the documents. Okay, so I click this portion, upload documents. As soon as I click this button, upload documents, I come up with this interface. Here you can see the 5 options or 5 items: domicile certificate, 10th standard mark sheet, 12th standard mark sheet, date of birth certificate, and TFW certificate. If you have a TFW rank, then you have to upload the TFW certificate as well. Where to get the TFW certificate? There is a proforma given in the WBJEE website. You can download that proforma, get a print, and then get it signed from the BDO or SDO, because it is the easiest way to get the TFW certificate or income certificate. No other proforma will be allowed, only proforma which is given in the WBJEE website. Now one by one we have to upload the documents. So here I'll start the uploading process. First I'll go for the domicile certificate. Okay, so the domicile certificate, we are done with the domicile one. Now the 10th standard mark sheet. So again I have to upload the 10th standard mark sheet. So well, it is already named as secondary mark sheet. So I click this and upload this one. After that, 12th standard mark sheet. So again the same process, 12th standard mark sheet. Fine, but just remember one thing, the size, file size, keep it within 200 KB. So if you keep it within 200 KB, it will make no issues. Otherwise again you have to compress it. After uploading the higher secondary mark sheet, I'll upload the 4th item, that is date of birth certificate. Instead of date of birth certificate, you can also upload secondary admit. that is 10th standard mark sheet, 10th standard admit card, and the last one is tuition fee waiver certificate. As I said, if you have a TFW rank, then it is mandatory to upload the TFW certificate. So let us do the same process. Just remember one thing, you have to keep all the file size within 200 KB. If the file size is more than 200 KB, then compress it online and submit. Well, here you can see that domicile certificate, document number or ID, it is given here. You can write NA, and also the same thing here for TFW, because you don't have any document number or ID, so the reference number is missing in both the documents. So I write NA and then submit and preview. Okay, so let us see the preview now. Well, so now this is the page that you come up with. Here you can also again click here for a large view. If you want to double check, then you can click this and see whether you have uploaded the right document or not. So this is what you have done. Okay, fine. So well, there is a now option to check it once again. So see, as it is written 10th standard mark sheet, yes, we have uploaded the 10th standard mark sheet only. After that it is 12th standard mark sheet, yes, we have uploaded the 12th standard mark sheet only. Similar is the case with date of birth, but it is not visible. So let us click here and get the bigger picture. Well, so we have uploaded the right one. So next one is TFW certificate. It is already visible, so fine. Now it is self-verified, check and verify. So you have, there is a check box, so we have to click this check box, self-verified check box, one by one. So there are 5 items, so you have to give a tick mark 5 times. Okay, and now we are done with this part finally. So save finally and next. So it is, they're asking you whether you want to save it or not. Yes, we want to save. Do you wish to save? Yes, we want to save. Well, now you can see the preview and final submit. So personal details, it's before you. Rank details, it is given here. Category, it is also here. Person with disability, no. Tuition fee waiver scheme, yes. Now the qualification details, it is given here as well. Now the 12th standard marks details, it is also given here. So whatever we have filled in so far, all the details comes before you, all details. So permanent address to bank details and everything, all the documents here we see everything. So this page is very, very important. Carefully check this page. If you find any discrepancy, if you find any mistake over here, then you can go back and again submit the same thing. But here as I see that it's fine, so I can simply go for the declaration part. Again, here is a checkbox declaration. I hereby declare that all the particulars given by me in this form are true to the best of my knowledge and belief. So it's a formality. You have to click this checkbox and go for save and final submit. So do you wish to final submit? Yes, we want to submit now. So we are done with the registration as well as documents upload part. We are done with this. As we can see, for this candidate we have 830 choices and field choices 0, unfilled choices 830, and choice locking status is unlocked. So now we'll go for this one, that is choice filling and locking part. So here we come up with the most important section, that is choice filling. While making these decisions, you have to be very, very careful and at the same time practical as well. With a rank of 50,000 in WBJ, you cannot expect a seat in Jadavpur University Computer Science Department. Well, I am not discouraging you at all, but please be practical while making the choices. Despite that, having a rank of 50,000, if you want to start with a government college, you can do that anytime. So let's start the choice filling portion. Here you can see 3 filters. One is all institute types, then the other one is all institutes and all programs. In the all institute types, there are three options: private institute, state government, state university. In all institutes, you have the names of different colleges and universities. All programs, in this section you have different departments like civil, mechanical engineering department, automobile, chemical. And also mention or also note this thing, that civil engineering department, here you have two options. One is civil engineering, the other one is civil engineering with TFW. Okay, well, I'll explain everything in detail. My first recommendation is don't change these two sections, the first one and the third one. Only keep changing the middle portion. So all institutes, let us start with a government college. Here you can see Coach Behar Government Engineering College, then you can see Government College of Engineering and Textile Baharampur. Also you have Government College of Engineering and Textile Sirampur. Okay, then Jalpaiguri Government Engineering College. After that you have Kolani Government Engineering College also. Okay, let's start with Kolani Government Engineering College. As soon as you pick Kolani Government Engineering College, you come up with these options in the left hand side. Here as you can see, Kolani Government Engineering College, electrical engineering. The next one is electrical engineering TFW. Well, when you make a choice, the first one, the first attempt should always be TFW, because you have a TFW rank. So let us first add this one, Kolani Government Engineering College, choice number 1. And what is the program here? As you can see, the program is electrical engineering TFW. Now naturally, if your choice is electrical engineering, if this is your first priority, we will keep it here. Okay, let us remove this one. Now your first priority is not electrical engineering. Let us assume that your first priority is computer science and engineering. So computer science and engineering TFW will be at number 1. And what will be at number 2? In that case, only computer science or computer science without TFW will be in the second position. Okay, fine. So if you have an aim that I'll study only computer science and engineering, apart from that I'll not study any other stream, then you have to move on to some other colleges. Again, at the same time, if you have this kind of an ambition that, well, if it's Kolani Government Engineering College, then I can study even electronics and engineering. So electronics can be put in the second portion. So again, ECE TFW will be your third option, and ECE without TFW will be the fourth option. So now you can see a pop-up here. The pop-up says, dear candidate, you have done some changes in choices. These changes are not yet saved. Do you want to save these changes in choices? You can easily click yes, that is save these changes. So this pop-up is a very good option from this WBJE website, because if your computer gets shut down, then it will be saved at any point of time. So this is a good one. Now see, you have 4 choices here, 1 2 3 4. Now if you want to add some more, you can add again. Say in third position you want to keep electrical engineering TFW, so fine, so you can go for electrical engineering, then only electrical engineering, with that is without TFW, we can do this. Now you are left out with IT and mechanical engineering. Now if you are not interested in IT and mechanical engineering, simply you can go here and choose some other college. For example, you can go to Government Engineering College, Jalpaiguri. So okay, so let us click this, and again we come up with this one. So what is your first choice? Your first choice is computer science. So again we'll start this way, computer science TFW. Okay, then computer science without TFW. After that, what was your choice in the previous college, that is Kolani? The second choice was electronics. So again the same thing here, we'll go for electronics with TFW, and then electronics without TFW. Next was what? Electrical. So again we'll do this, electrical TFW, or then comes electrical. Again they ask you for the same thing, that whether you want to save this or not. Yes, save this. Without any hesitation, save this. At this point you have 11 choices. Okay, so close this pop-up and add this one, electrical engineering from Jalpaiguri Engineering College. So how many options you have now? As you can see, we have 12 options, 6 from Kolani and 6 from Jalpaiguri. After that you can make some choices from private engineering colleges also. Now this is a demo video, so you will do your choices on your own. I am not recommending you any college, any particular college, be it a government college or a private college. This is just a demo to show you the process of counseling and to show you the process of choice filling. So after government colleges, now you want to choose some private colleges. Okay, well, I'll randomly choose a college. Say for example the candidate is from Hooghly district and he wants to select a college from Hooghly. Let's see a college. Okay, here we see a college, Hooghly Engineering and Technology College. So well, if we click this Hooghly Engineering and Technology College, we'll see what there are 5 departments: civil engineering department, electrical engineering department, mechanical, computer science and electronics. Okay, well, so our first choice is what? Our first choice is computer science. So obviously we'll go for computer science with TFW first, and then what? Computer science without TFW. Okay, fine. So let us add this one. Then what was our next choice? Our next choice was electronics. So electronics TFW, then electronics without TFW. Then our choice will be electrical engineering and electrical engineering TFW. Now see, again they're asking for a confirmation. Okay, you confirm that yes, and you close this. Now see, I have done a mistake here. What mistake? I have put electrical engineering at number 17, Hooghly Engineering College electrical engineering at number 17 and TFW at number 18. But as I said, the TFW should be first placed and then without TFW. So what we can do here, we can simply click this up button. As soon as I click this up button, you see what? The TFW goes to number 17 and electrical engineering TFW goes to number 17 and electrical engineering without TFW comes down to number 18. The same way you can change the options at any point of time. You can change the options, you can remove the options, you can change the order also. Say if you want to delete some options, for example you want to delete the option of electrical engineering from Kolani Government Engineering College, so you can do it anytime. Say Kolani Government Engineering College electrical TFW, you can remove this. Okay, you remove this one. The same thing here, electrical engineering without TFW, you can remove it anytime. If you want to change the order, you can do it as well. So not only changing the order or deleting any option, you can also add an option at any point of time. So you can do it up to 25th. It is open for all, and then you have to lock this as well, because that is equally important. This time the system will not be locked automatically, you have to lock it on your own. Finally we have to lock it after 25th, because if you don't lock this system, it will go blank. Anyway, at this point of time we will just save and continue. So well, there is no change in choices since last choice is save. We know that very well, we have not made any changes. Save and continue. Once again click this one. Okay, fine, and then you can go to save and go to home. Okay, once you go to save and go to home, your session has been expired for security reasons, so close the window. So this is what you can do for choice filling. So if you want to see the choice filling once again, you can simply go to the login section and see that whether the choices have been properly filled in or not. So just write your roll number and put the password here. Put the password, then the security pin, well, so let me sign in. Okay, as you can see now, 830 available choices, filled choices 16, unfilled choices 814. So you can do a number of choices, and as you can see the lock status, it is unlocked. Okay, if you want to see your choices, you can again click this part and you come up with this interface. So it is unlocked, so you can make any change at any point of time. So here we log out from this section. So after making every change, save it and then log out for security reasons. Don't cross the window or cross the tab, but simply log out. Yes, we log out here. So this was the choice filling section. So I hope that this video has been extremely informative. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends, and please do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you all for watching today's video.